Today, I'm going to walk you through API integrations in PXM, what they are, how to set them up, and a few best practice tips to make sure everything runs smoothly for you. API integrations are a powerful way to connect PXM with your ERP or other external systems. Instead of manually updating the data, APIs let systems talk to each other automatically, saving time, reducing errors, also keeping everything in sync. But before we jump into the setup and getting your API authorization, there's one important thing to check. Anyone who's creating or managing API integrations needs to have the super admin role in PXM. If you don't see the options I'm about to show you, that's usually why. Okay, so to start, to create your API key, you're going to go over to the left-hand sidebar and click on Settings. And then you are going to, under System, you're going to click the Integrations tab. Under the Integrations tab, you will notice in the bottom right-hand corner, there's a button that says Register Application. You will click on this button, and you can name this authorization. I'll name it API Auth. Once you save those changes, it will provide you with your client ID and your client secret, which you can then use to access your APIs. To access your APIs, you are now going to go over to the website entamplify.io/docs/index.html. This will be included as well in the support article. You will access this site, and this is where you access your APIs. You'll use your client ID and your client secret to authorize here. You'll paste them and click Authorize. And this is the best place to explore endpoints, to try requests, and also confirm that everything is working as expected as well. To keep your system performing well, there are a few best practices we strongly recommend. First, PXM APIs are designed for daily or less frequent batch updates. For update or write actions, you should update data no more than once per day. For read actions, data should also be extracted no more than once per day. If PXM data is being used in other applications, we recommend maintaining a data source on your side, essentially a cache, that's updated using the API instead of repeatedly calling PXM. And that's it. Once your API keys are set up and you're following best practices, API integrations can really simplify how you're updating PXM and keeping things synced and up to date. If you do need more details, be sure to check out the API documentation. And as always, reach out to support if you need any help.